Alright, we're going to test the stability. We are going to test the stability of this current design's Kestrel 120. Wendy's going to basically get in and try to see how easy it would be to tump over. Alright, let's give it a go. The intent is just to kind of wiggle around a bit and see what things you could do while out in the water that would or would not tump it over, and basically decide what kind of balance you would need.